Community-based rehabilitation is providing quality services to enhance the lives of the disabled persons, as well as developing an understanding about the importance of holistic health within the community.
New learning experience since we are out of the four walls of the hospital and we are engaging to different types of people, different walks in life.
We get to see the living situation of our patients, and then we can interact with them more compared sa mga hospitals.
Nurturing the ability to empathize to different life situations
that cultivates growth not only as a physical therapist but as well as an individual.
So you get the chance to meet new colleagues and experience the simple life of the people living in the rural areas.
It's a cost-effective means of delivering rehab services to rural areas. The aim is to help people with disabilities meet their basic needs and ensure their inclusion and participation within the community.
Is to help people with disabilities by establishing community-based medical integration, equalization of opportunities, and PT rehabilitation programs for the disabled.
Seeing the patients progress throughout the PT treatment and seeing them coping and creating a better way of living with the impairment or disability is fulfilling.
It's giving service to a community without expecting something in return.
One of my unforgettable experiences during internship. CBR made me understand more about our profession as a PT.
I've been hearing symphonies. Before all I heard was silence. A rhapsody for you and me. And every melody is timeless. Life was stringing me along. Then you came and you cut me loose. I'm solo singing on my own. Now I can't find a key without you. And now your song is on repeat, and I'm dancing on to your heartbeat. And when you're gone, I feel incomplete. So if you want the truth, I just wanna be part of your symphony. We hold me tight and not let go. Symphony, like a love song on the radio. Sorry if it's all too much, but every day you're here I'm healing. And I was running out of love. I never thought I'd find this feeling. Cause I've been hearing symphonies. Before all I heard was silence. A rhapsody for you and me. And every melody is timeless. And now your song is on repeat, and I'm dancing on to your heartbeat. And when you're gone, I feel incomplete. So if you want the truth, I just wanna be part of your symphony. We hold me tight and not let go. Symphony, like a love song on the radio. I can almost smell that liquor through your taste. The bubbles with that started spaced. We've been here before, know what you're gonna say. Been thinking of you, why don't you come through? There's nobody at my place. I'm always your afterthought when you're in that state of mind. No, you won't, but I wish you'd stop wasting my time. Yeah, because you only love me when you're lonely. When you think I'm moving on with someone else.
Display siya darang good. Secondary to congenital abnormalities or sacral articulation.
You only love yourself. Love me when you tell me truth. Middle finger to the sky. They don't know about you and I. We've been rolling deeper than they'll ever know. Even though I broke your heart, no, that won't keep us apart. Baby, I know, I'm not giving you up. If you want my love, then you got it. Anytime you want it, baby, bring your body back to me. They can call me foolish and stupid. Don't know why I do this, but baby, bring your body back to me. I know, I'm not giving you up. I know, I'm not giving you up. If you want my love, then you got it. Anytime you want it, baby, bring your body back to me. I'm not giving you up, giving you up. I'm not giving you up. I'm not giving you up, giving you up. Baby, bring your body back to me. Who cares what the world's gonna think? 'Cause you know they're gonna think it anyway. I love all the bad things that we do. Shut your mouth and put your hands where I want you to. Middle finger to the sky. They don't know about you and I. We've been rolling deeper than they'll ever know. Even though I broke your heart, no, that won't keep us apart. Baby, I know, I'm not giving you up. If you want my love, then you got it. Anytime you want it, baby, bring your body back to me. They can call me foolish and stupid. Don't know why I do this, but baby, bring your body back to me. I know, I'm not giving you up. I know, I'm not giving you up. If you want my love, then you got it. Anytime you want it, baby, bring your body back to me. I know, I'm not giving you up, giving you up. I know, I'm not giving you up. I'm not giving you up, giving you up. Baby, bring your body back to me.
Ano na mo ang katuban. God bless sa mga patients, mga PT niya kaya it's very far.
Call me foolish, stupid. Don't know why I do this. Baby, bring your body. Baby, bring your. If you want my love, then you got it. Anytime you want it, baby, bring your body back to me. They can call me foolish and stupid. Don't know why I do this, but baby, bring your body.
Left or right?
Choose right.
I'm not giving you up. If you want my love, then you got it. Anytime you want it, baby, bring your body back to me.
Magbala! Go, Day! Maling kamot, good!
Never change, do it.
You're incriminating, no disguise, and you ain't never running low on supplies. 50 love the way you split it, 100 racks on me, spin it, babe. Light a match, get lit, it, babe. Jet set, once the sunset, kinda, yeah, yeah. Rolling eyes back in my head, make my toes curl, yeah, yeah. Yeah, you got that yummy, yum, that yummy, yum, that yummy, yummy. Yeah, you got that yummy, 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 yummy. Yeah, you got that.
Proper way of execution. Dayon, daghan mga learning then it opens up kung unsa gid among ganahan nga course nga kuhaon.
Thank you for all the learnings and experiences, CBR.
Thank you, CBR, for giving me the chance to meet new people, new companions, and also new learnings.
Thank you, CBR. Thank you, Ma'am Rosel and Sir Ja. Thank you, Sir Arapols. I had so much fun and I learned a lot here.
Thank you sa food. Thank you so much for the bountiful learnings, especially on different diagnosis of our patients, and thank you for the patience that you have given to us, and also new learnings, new things that we could apply onto our next rotations. And
Thank you, CBR, sa pagpanambok na mo.
CBR, you're going to appreciate nature.
thank you, CBR, for a wonderful experience.
Hi! Okay. Thank you, CBR, for 2 months of learnings and kabuang! Kabuki!
I am forever grateful for the experiences I have experienced here in CBR, and thank you for everything. Thank you for the memories.